chocolate. Go on then, go in the fridge. Can you manage?
Yeah.
Go on then.
She's going shopping.
What are you doing, Brie?
Getting back out.
Go in the chocolates. You're restocking the chocolate drawer, are you?
Yeah.
Clever girl, aren't you? You're going to fit them all in?
Yeah.
Yeah? You think so?
I'm happy.
Can you have those Maltesers? Go on then, for all your hard work, you can have those Maltesers.
And that one.
No, just one. You choose one. Okay, you're going to finish putting it in first.
Okay.
Should we put the sweets in the cupboard? Because they'll go a bit yucky if they're in the fridge. Go on then. Oh, Lillian, have you come for a chocolate bar? Okay then, Lillian, choose which one you want. Oh, you had Lil. 12.
I got 12.
Don't think they're going to fit, are they?
Yeah.
Brianna. Oh, have you put yours back by accident?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, dear. Do you want Mummy to hold those?
Yeah.
Okay, then. Are they all going to fit in there?
No.
No, I don't think they are. Oh, my gosh. We have too much chocolate.
Flip-flops. Mom, I like these ones too.
Okay, well, one today. Oh, those are Daddy's favourites too.
I like 12's Dairy Milk. And
Oh, Daddy, you'll have to hide that in the bottom because Lil will be eating it.
Ooh, no, I like
Yeah, Maltesers. Are they your favourite, Brianna? Brianna,
I like that.
Maltesers your favourite?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I like
whoa.
Maltesers too. I like Dairy Milk. Dairy Milk. Milk.
Milk chocolate.
Right? Okay.
What'd you say?
She said
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Good girl. Oh dear, you bastards.
Thank you.
Good girl. Do they all fit?
Yeah.
Are you sure? I'm not sure that drawer's going
I'm
to
gonna-
close.
I'm gonna eat this one tomorrow.
Are you?
Yeah. I don't eat this one tomorrow.
You're going to eat that one tomorrow, are you?
Yeah.
A Lion bar?
And this one. I have to put
Yeah.
this one in there. I like this one.
And you like that one too? That's a fudge.
Yeah. Bring. Okay. I like it. She put all the chocolate